Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be doing some blow painting. For this activity you're going to need some paper, watercolor paints, a Sharpie, a straw, a pencil, a paintbrush, and some water. Alright, when starting this work, you can choose to do all the colors that you have, or you can choose to just do one. I'm going to go ahead and use all my colors that I have here on display. So what I'm going to do first is dip my paintbrush into a color. Start off with purple. Make several drops going around, but I want my drops to be big. So what I'm going to do is dip my paintbrush into my water, and that will make it bigger. Alright, and I'm going to clean off my paintbrush and then choose a different color. I added some water to make the drop bigger. Go ahead, get some more and put another one over here. Add water. Alright, so for these few drops, I'm going to show you what to do next. So I have all 4 drops right here. I'm going to get my straw. Now I'm going to blow at the drops. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more color, and then I'll show you what my paper looks like. Alright, so I went ahead and filled up my paper with some more drops. I blew on the drops so you get that effect of it going all over the paper. Now for this next part, you are going to need your paper to dry because it'll be hard for you to write on it, and it will be hard for the Sharpie to go over the paper because the paper is wet. So then I went ahead and did another one. So you could see what I did next. So after my paper dried out, I wrote a message. I wrote Class 4A rocks. I went ahead and got my pencil and first decided what I wanted to do. So I went with my pencil, took my time on it. If I needed to erase, I erased a little bit. And then even if you messed up a little bit, then you can go ahead and take your Sharpie and go over your letters, or you can draw a flower or anything that you decided to do. You can go over your Sharpie and then it'll make the work get a little bit more cleaned up. But yes, this is what I chose to write on my paper. And now it's just ready to be on display. So I hope you guys all have fun with this activity.